Hello everyone, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy. We are continuing in my work planner. This is the monthly layout by Happy Planner. We've already decorated the dashboard pages, and then the last video were the daily task pages. And now I am going to do the journal pages. At least that's how I use them. It says take note, so you could just, use it for notes or whatever. I don't know what other people use this for, but I basically use it as a little journal for my business. So we're using Chic Planner by Live Love Posh. These are the stickers that I have left over. I'm a little nervous because I still have to do the monthly and my stats page, but I think we can make it. So I do want to use, and we're using this and the polka dot washi. This is from my shop. I'll put a link to it down below in case you're interested. And I'm a little nervous that, look, I only have a little bit left. This is the washi that we're using. I'm going to do the same thing across the top up here, but I'm thinking of keeping it kind of short. So, because, and I gotta make sure it doesn't tear in that one spot. And let's see. I don't want to use too much of it because I'm afraid of running out before I'm done. Let's see how much we can get in one go. And then I'll run it across the top. And that way I'm not wasting any. I think we'll have enough. Okay. Maybe a little bit more. Don't tear, don't tear. Okay. That was scary. All right, I'm going to do about right here. And basically I am lining it up. Oh, I should have done it longer. I think it needs to be longer. All right, let me just do it where I want it. And then, because I think I'm going to have enough. Let's do it right there. Why can't I see good? Okay. And I am going to have it go all the way across. And then I'm just going to cut it with my scissors. All right, I don't want it to tear. I'm going slowly. All right, made it. Yay. Okay, so let's see. Let's do like this, going up. I can't get it. All right, let's go this way. Why can't I tear this washi? There. Okay. So there's that one. And then this one, I think about right here also. And that looks more or less the same. Close enough. Let's see, where's my scissors? All right. Let's just go ahead and cut that real quick. I always mess this up. All right. You know what? Once it's on the rings, you won't even be able to see that. So let's go ahead and put our little strip washi. And this one, you know what? I think I'm going to make it in other colors too, because I mean, the black and white goes with everything, and it looks really cute. This especially looks really cute when, oh, my mom's calling me, when you pair it with pink. Let's see. I'm going to have to pause and go see, make sure she doesn't need anything. Let's go this way. And we're going to stop it right here. Okay, so I went and saw my mom. Nothing happened. She was bringing my husband. Oop, I forgot to turn on the other light. Hold on a second. All right, she was bringing my husband some, those little candy Easter eggs. He likes those. And she was showing me her nail polish that she said I have to get it next time, and she gave me the number. It is a pretty pink. I am so over this red. Okay, so on these pages, I use it like a journal. Let's see, where was I? I wanted to use this. I want to see, because it's huge. And I don't know that it's going to fit. I guess I can do like that. But I think I'm going to wipe this out where it says take note. Because these are clear stickers. And you can see right through them. All right. Let's do like this. And I think I'm going to overlap it a little bit like that. That makes such a difference. So, oh no. What did I do? Oh, I tore it a little bit. All right, well, don't do that. If you're going to scrape it, don't scrape it on a paper. You don't want it messed up. Okay, so let's see. This is what we've got left over. I think maybe we'll use the big flower up here. Or do I want to use it? Oh, I kind of like it here. Like this in the middle. Like, do we cut it or do we not cut it? I don't know. Or do I want it in the middle? You know what? I'm going to put it right here. And I'm going to do like a zigzag type of thing here. Because I am going to use my highlighter to brighten up the page and add some lines. So I need something that's going to be over here. What would look good? I wonder, these are kind of strange because since it's on clear, you can't really see what they are all that great, but they're supposed to be like Polaroid pictures. See, like you're just not even going to be able to tell that it's a Polaroid. That just doesn't even make sense. Okay. So then, I think I want these over here. Or should those? Oh, you know what? I'm putting those here. That's pretty. I like that. Kind of brings the color down in here. And then let's use, maybe we do like a little thing here with big plans and the box and the washi. I think so. All right, so this is going to be like a little collage. I think I'm going to cover the January up also because we really don't need it there. Okay, but maybe we put the box first, like this. Let's see, because I kind of like the big plants. All right, let's just lay them down, not overthink it, which is what I tend to do. Let's not overthink. Let's go like that, and then like this, and then let's do this bow. This is cute. Although we've got, let's do this because I think this might be a little too dark. Let's do big plans right there. Okay. And then I want one of these girls. I know I've got one facing right. Or do I want this one? Let's go with this one. I can get her off. All right. I think what I'm going to do, since I still have some of this, I'm going to do two little corners. That way she has something to sit on. So I need this first. I'm going to place it and then I will cut it after I know how much of the blue I can use. So let's do like that. I kind of want it about that wide. Let's not tear. And let's go right there. Okay, I'm happy with that. I think that's enough. And then this one. Okay. So let's do like this. And then it looks weird. It doesn't look like there's something there. Oh, it is sticky. It's weird. Okay, well hopefully you won't notice it once I put everything else down. So let's do this side. And basically, let's make it about the same length. So from the edge to here. All right. And then let's hope that there's still enough. That's strange. See, that one's got a little mark on it there too. It needs to be a little wider. Oh, didn't go all the way. And then it needs to go like this. Okay, there we go. That's cute. So let's put her over here. And she is going to use this as a floor. Oh, I hate the way that looks. Let's go like this, just her foot. Okay. And then over on this side, you know what? Let's use her. Why not? I think that's kind of cute. And they're both sitting there, reading their planners and planning what they're going to do. Okay. So I think I'm going to do, I feel like I need something here. What do we have? Let's do this big flower. I think this big flower needs to go here, like that. And then, oh, not that big plans. Got this flower, that's the same one. What can go there? How about this one? Let me see. I feel like it needs to be lower to match the flower. Okay, so how do we feel about, oops, sorry, the camera. Oops, hit it again. All right, I think something, I'm not liking this. Although this is like this and like this, huh? With the camera, with this pink bow. Or how about we look for a quote? Let's look for a quote. Must plan stuff. Planning is my therapy. Plan your stress away. Planner nerd. Write, create, inspire. Ooh, I love this. Ooh, and plan with me. Yes. Okay. Oh my God, I keep hitting the camera. Sorry. Here we go. Oh, plan with me. I love that. I like that a lot. Plan with me. And then I'm going to put one here. Live, work, create, write, create, inspire. I'm going to put the write, create, inspire here because this is where I write stuff. I guess I write stuff everywhere, but all right. I think that looks cute. Yes, I'm happy with it. Okay. Now, I think I'm going to use the highlighter. I'm always afraid to because, you know, once you put it on there, do we like that color? Or should I go, I was thinking either this color. Now I'm kind of thinking it should kind of be the Dusty Rose color. Let me go look through my markers and see what other color I have that'll go. Hold on. Okay, after much deliberation, this is my my swatches for Mr. Pen. I think I want to go with this one. I think this one's a little too peach. And then I thought maybe the gray because of this gray, but, and then I did a few of them. So this is the pink. It's like a, sort of just like a dusty, so I'm just going to go with it. I should probably take pictures before I do this. But you know what? I am scared, but I'm just going to do it anyway. Or should I just leave it? I don't know. I want to do the highlighter. All right. I'm going to do one. Worst case scenario, I white it out, right? Maybe. I want to try it over here first. I'm going to try it here first. Just because I'm nervous of how it's going to look. You know what? Whatever. I started it. I'm just going to do it. So I'm going to do one and then I'll pause it and do the rest. And that way you guys don't have to sit here and watch me do this. Don't start and stop. Okay. I'm going to do the rest and I'll be right back. And it'll be like, voila. Should I or shouldn't I have? Hold on. All right. Y'all ready for the reveal? What'd you think? I like it. I think that it added what I needed to add. A little more color, a little more stuff to the page. You know what? I rarely ever regret. I'm always afraid before I put it on there, but I rarely ever regret actually putting it on there. So let's see. I put the pages on this planner just because it's got the white rings, and for pictures it's easier or it looks better on white rings, I think. But anyway, here it is. There are the creative journal pages. All right, let's see the month so far. We've got dashboard, we've got daily tasks, we've got our little journal pages. Next This page I use for my business stats, and I will, I hate the fact that the currently page is on the other side of this, so I always use this currently page, the one at the end of the month, because I don't like having to go like that. So if I turn to January, I want to see everything after January. Anyway, so the next video I'm going to do is going to be the monthly view, which is this one. So I hope you'll join me for that one. I hope you're enjoying the series so far, and this is what we did today. All right, well, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.